Good morning. Hi guys, I am super excited today because today is how do I put it? Okay, I'm super excited today because today is a week to my birthday. I'm actually not sure of what I would be doing on my birthday because I mean basically don't have anybody at this point here. I just have friends in school and everybody seems to be really busy because it's the summer and this is the time of the year where people tend to work the most, right? So I don't really know. Well, anyways, I'm just gonna figure out something to do. I want to go out for a little photo shoot, like street pictures. I'm not expecting to do anything really big. It's my 24th birthday. My 25th birthday will be next year, and probably by God's grace then I would have something worth the while. Although every year is, I mean every new year that we turn to is a great reason to thank God, and I am so thankful for how far I've gone, where I am right now, what I have, what I'm yet to have. I am super thankful. I'm about to install my wigs, so I want to I just finished taking some pictures for my birthday. Yeah, my birthday is in a week today, and yeah, it's the end of the road. Yeah, I don't want to be so noisy because I'm at the library. Yeah, with my backpack. So I want to do one or two things, school things, and then I'll keep you informed as to what is what. This is Deborah.
You wanna go to the
She's my big time camera person. Yeah,
I'm the person behind the camera.
Behind the camera.
I
She's
look
a
like a
photographer.
dude, bro.
She said she looks like a dude. I really do. When I say photo credit, this is the face behind it, guys.
That's
Well,
not
it
gonna be in
looks
the
so
video.
good right here. But just like,
No, that's why I say we should press here so you can see.
yeah, guys.
It's in the video. I'm gonna be quiet.
It's my nails. At this point, I decided to take off my shoes because my feet was beginning to hurt a great deal, and I wanted to be much more productive. So guys, right now we're done. Still typing. She has a lot to type. And this is a view of what the library looks like. This is just one side. What floor is this? This is the third floor. And they have more floors up there. So the library is pretty cool. This is I don't have the strength. Imagine. Yes. And this is the out view. It was really a productive day for me. I feel like I did all I needed to do, made the videos I needed to make, took the pictures I wanted to take. Yeah, counting down to my birthday. Anyways guys, I'm so tired, I'm stressed, I'm hungry. I hate the slash. I don't know, maybe I didn't fix it well, but anyways, it's looking like better. Maybe looking at me like, what is this guy saying? I know those of you out there who know, I took out my nails. It was giving me a whole lot of stress. Those of you out there who know how to fix nail lashes a lot, I know you guys are seeing the mistake, like what exactly this I'm saying. Sister is a makeup artist, and I know when I get it right and when I don't get it right. This one, I did not get it right this time. Yep. We're about to head home. I'm so happy it was a productive day. Like I mentioned in the video, this lace, it's actually my first time fixing this lace, and I can't wait to take it, go back home and pull it, because it's giving me a whole lot of headache. I look so beautiful today, guys. I look so cute. I look so cute. Bye guys, talk to you when I get home. This is still the library. Imagine. Bye guys, I'm going home right now. Hey guys, I am super excited. I came back from the library. I don't think I gave you guys an update after I got back, because I came back pretty late and I was super exhausted and tired with the whole shoot. It wasn't really a typical shoot still, but it was something, right? And then the library studies and what have you. And I got a package yesterday. I'm yet to fix this part of the room though. I got a package because it's my birthday. I am super excited. I'm about to unbox this, although it's not my birthday yet, but I just want to check. I cannot wait for my birthday. Normally I would wait till it's my birthday before I unbox, but this time around I don't think I want to wait. I just want to go right ahead. Okay, what's gonna happen for my birthday? What am I gonna do? But yeah, something came up anyways. Me, I am excited because I really do need like stuff. I got this myself, for myself, by myself. Because when I was leaving Nigeria, right, I left Nigeria with just few of my items, right, and there are a lot of things that I really do need here that I needed some time to be able to get them. And I think now is the right time to get them. I don't know, this stuff is really hard. Anyways, yeah, this is one of them. Guys, this is, you guys should just wait to see them. Just wait till you see them. Yeah, I got this pretty nice bag because I needed one. And because I could, I mean, it was so long. Oh my god. Okay, now that I've seen them, I just wanted to have a feel of what they look like. I think I'm officially going to do unbox with me, like a video when I get all the packages that I'm gonna get for my birthday. I just wanted to do a little bit of unboxing, but not full-time unboxing though. After that, I will do this one. Guys, I'm so happy. Like, I am so happy like this stuff came when they did, because this girl is excited. I mean, guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's worth it. I mean, it's worth it. I love cooking. I don't know, I just love cooking. I love cooking a lot. So this is the ground beef. I put this in the microwave to defrost a little bit. This is the ground beef I'll be making. And this is the tacos. I'm trying to gather my okay, this right here is the ground beef I will be making, and this is the tacos. Oh my goodness. This is the tacos. I'm trying to get my seasoning and the likes that I'll be using for the tacos, and I'll just let you guys know when I'm done so you guys would see. I don't know if you guys want to see the process. You guys, I don't have the time to waste or wait, so I just put all of this in and let it sit for 30 seconds. Hi guys, so we are officially back from our breakfast. I could not make any video, I don't know why, but anyways, right to fix, trying to do a little bit of makeup.
Language.
Yeah, we're gonna beat her face, the makeup beating, right? So we're gonna work with.
If you're not gonna make like a one vlog.
Hi, madam. This is our big madam here. That's the biggest madam. Yeah, we're about to start right now. Anyway, we want to start right now, and let's see what we have to achieve. And yeah.
I just have actually.
I'm here for a good time, not a long time, so don't fall in love. I ain't tryna use your big games.
And you want a tutorial?
My eyebrows are crazy.
We are not done yet. We are almost there. Say hi. This is what it looks like. I don't like. Are you sure?
My eyes are like when you
I think you forget, bro. Something.
Yeah. So this is it. We're going party. We're not going party anyway, so we're just kidding. But anyways, this is what it looks like, guys. So what do you think? Actually, thank you for sitting and being my model. So make sure to pay me side view and
Profile, man.
Oh.
makes sense.
I'm telling Arima. You should not forget the side profile.
The
I am connected.
Bora.
That's so weird.